It's no longer a news that this platform called Nextel is a legitimate platform that basically rewards users for them to communicate on their platform and you get rewarded for it. Yes, they have proven to us that this platform is legit because it has been tested and trusted. So I'm going to be plugging you to this particular platform in case you have not heard about it before. I'm going to be explaining in layman language that you will understand. So if you have never heard about this particular platform before, or maybe you have heard about it and you still don't understand how this particular platform works, don't worry. I'm going to be explaining in details what this particular platform is all about, how this particular platform works, how people get reward, and also how you can join this particular platform. Okay, if it's the first time I'm coming across my video, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Coach Amanda. I offer you helpful tips to actually help you level up financially. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be updated anytime I drop updates like this. I told you guys earlier, any platform that shows up claiming that they reward users, I have to do my test run, make sure that this platform is legitimate before I can introduce it to my viewers. So I've actually tested this platform. I've actually examined this platform earlier before I even talked about it. So if you have not seen the video when I introduced this platform earlier, even before they came to Africa, you can scroll back to my page and check them out. As of last month, July, I talked about this particular platform called Nextel that they are about to launch in Africa, and many people grabbed the opportunity that earlier. Those people are making good amount of money currently on Nextel. Now, what you guys always ask me every time is, since Nextel is not in Africa, can I still join? Is it too late for me to join? No, it's not too late for you to join this platform. So if you have not ever come across this particular platform called Nextel before, I'm going to explain in details. All right. So this particular platform called Nextel is actually a telecommunication platform that basically rewards users for them to communicate on their platform. Yes, meaning you make on their platform, you get paid. Okay, this platform came into existence, like they came into Africa on the 1st of August, and from the 1st of August, people have been making millions on this platform. People have been earning with or without referral. Meaning, if you chose not to refer on this platform, you get paid. If you also chose to refer on this platform, you also get paid. Okay. Now, here is the interesting part. This particular platform rewards users every single day, like every single day. And what are the tasks in this platform? What you do here is just for you to make call on the platform, just to make call. The same call you make with your phone, that is what you make here, and you get rewarded for it. So the more call you make on this platform, the more reward you get. And also you can send text messages on this platform and you also get rewarded from it. This is the most interesting part about this particular platform. The minimum withdrawal in this platform is as low as 3,000 naira. $3. Let me just say $3 if you're not in Nigeria. $3. Yes, if you have $3 on your dashboard, you can withdraw on withdrawal days and you withdraw every week. People have been getting reward on this particular platform recently. It's not too late for you to join. What you have to take note of before you join this particular platform is that you have to have at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes in a day for you to actually make call on this platform. Like I told you guys, the more call you make, the more reward you get. So you have to be active at least 30 minutes in a day to make call on this platform so that you can claim your reward. Okay. So people are making good amount of money every single day on this particular platform. Now, here is the interesting part. Before you join this platform, you have to pass through an agent. Okay. These agents will be responsible in registry on this particular platform. So you cannot just enter your Google, search Nextel, then register through Google. At the end of the day, you might feel very, very confused because you will not have anyone to coach you. You will not actually understand better on how this particular platform works. So you have to pass through an agent. That agent will be responsible in registering you, also coaching you, and also telling you every information you have to know about this particular platform. Okay, and that is what I am here for. Okay. So for you to join this platform, it's not free. That's the interesting part as well. It's not free. You have to, actually activate your eSIM. That eSIM is responsible for making call on the platform. Like I told the guy, it's actually a telecommunication platform. So you need an eSIM for you to actually communicate on this platform. All right. And for you to purchase this eSIM, they have two eSIM. They have one of 10.5 and they also have one of 17,500. Now, what's the difference between these two eSIM? The difference is that on the eSIM of 17.5, you earn more than the eSIM of 10,500, and the earning on the 10,500 is limited, meaning your call might activate in that day, sometimes it will not activate. So I don't even advise my viewers to go for that one. So the one that you can, back on, like the one you can do and also enjoy it very, very well, is actually the eSIM of 17,500. All the features is going to work for you, everything is going to open for you, you not have any challenge, you not have any issue at all. Okay, everything is going to work perfectly for you. So I always advise my viewers to go for the eSIM of 17,500. Do you get? And it's actually a one-time payment, meaning once you have activated your eSIM once, you are not going to activate anymore. Like you are not going to register again. Okay, it's only a one-time activation. But if you are going for the eSIM of 10,500, you are going to activate, maybe upgrade later. If you don't have the money for 75, you are going to upgrade later. Okay, that is it. So if you still have 10,500, you can start with that one. Then with time, when you have the money, you can upgrade to the 17,500. But I always advise for you to actually start with 17,500. That one you have more benefit and everything is going to work perfectly for you. Okay, when you are registering, they are going to ask you to activate your eSIM immediately after registration. So that eSIM will be what you'll be using to actually communicate on this platform and get reward for yourself. Okay, now this is the process of registration. If you check the description of this video, you will see the link there, like the link for you to actually sign up on this platform. Okay, I can maybe also drop the link on the comment section, but if you check the pinned comment and you did not see this link, head over to the description of this video. Okay, you will see the link for you to sign up on this platform. So make sure you fill all the details required and click on sign up. Okay, once you click on sign up, they are going to request for you to actually activate your eSIM. Now this is how to actually activate your eSIM. You have to meet a distributor that you can purchase this eSIM from. Okay, so this eSIM, you are going to send them the money for your eSIM, 75 or the 10.5, then they will give you the code for you to activate your eSIM. Now for you to get the code, this is what you do. Check the description again. You are going to see my Telegram handle. Okay, message me on Telegram. Make your payment for your eSIM 17.5 or 10,500. Once you are done, I'm going to be sending you the code for you to actually activate your account. You can as well get it from the distributor, but sometimes there's always a back and forth if you are getting it from the distributor. So that's why I always advise my viewers, come and purchase it from me so that you'll not be having any issue, any failed payment, any back and forth with the distributors out there. I am not saying that they are scammers, but sometimes they are back and forth. Okay, so if you don't want any of that, you can send me a DM. If I don't make your payment, I'm going to be sending you the activation code for you to actually activate your account. Okay, now once you're done activating your account, I am also going to be adding you to my mentorship class where I'm going to be teaching you everything about this particular platform, how to navigate this particular platform, and every single thing you have to know about this particular platform. Okay, and also if you're having one-on-one mentorship, like anything you don't understand, anywhere you're confused, you're going to be having one-on-one mentorship with me. Okay, so you don't have to be scared, you don't have to worry at all, because everything is well explained, well detailed in my mentorship class. And also, I'm not the kind of coach that abandon their students. I'm going to pull you through, put you on in everything you don't understand. Okay, that is it. That's how we do it here. So many of my students are withdrawing from this update. Like as of yesterday, being 15th of August, so many of them withdrew without referring a single person. So if you want to be part of my team, then you should not be sleeping on this update. Rush now immediately. Okay, so that you can join the next withdrawal, because the withdrawal always happen every single week. Like if you're not actually referring on this platform, you withdraw every single, which is fair. But if you are referring, like if you are bringing your loved ones to them, like introducing your loved ones to this particular platform, then you withdraw every day. Okay, you withdraw the withdrawal portal will be open for you every single day. But if you chose not to refer at all, there's no issue at all. You place your withdrawal once every week. Okay, which is very very fair compared to the previous platform you have done before that will promise and at the end of the day they will not pay. Your withdrawal is as low as 3,000 naira. With as low as 3,000, you can withdraw your money on this particular platform. So don't sleep on it. You want to get started now, what you do now is just hit me up. Okay, if you're still scared, you don't want to do it by yourself, you don't want to pass through the registration by yourself, or you are scared of doing mistake, you can also send me a DM. I'm going to be using my hand to register you, then send you the login details for you to actually access your account. Okay, don't worry, it's safe and secure. I am not going to scam you, I am not a scammer. All right, so that is it. So if you want to join this particular platform now, rush now, send me a DM and let's get started. All right, see you in my next one. Bye bye.